Namaste friends, I am Jayalakshmi Ravichandran signing in on behalf of Magic Needles. This day I am here with pattern 43 for which I have used Hobby Store Special DK yarn Grape with color code 1067. This pattern can be worked with any number of stitches. So to begin with, let us begin with the standing double crochet as we do work in every other pattern. The first one is the standing double crochet. You can alternatively make 3 chains, and the stitch that we are going to do today is linked double crochet. You must be familiar with it. So what you do is, instead of yarning over, you just insert your hook into the middle stitch or the middle chain in 3 chains. I am inserting in the middle of the standing DC I did. The first one will be little difficult, doesn't matter. Yarn over and pull through. Now the stitch is worked normally. Insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through. Now you'll have 3 loops as you require for the DC. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now you will see the center loop here, which is horizontal. You're going to insert your hook into that and pick up the make a chain and pull through, or yarn over and pull through. Insert your hook into this, yarn over, pull through, instead of directly yarning over on the hook, and next insert into the next stitch, pull out the loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. This is the linked double crochet. Again here, so the stitch will appear like this. You will see a horizontal loop all through the stitch here. It is linking your double crochet to the previous stitch. That is what you are doing here basically. Insert your hook into that loop, yarn over, pull through, insert into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through. You will have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. Again, insert your hook into this horizontal loop, yarn over, pull out, insert into the next stitch, pick up the yarn, pull out. You will have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Continue the stitch till the end and make 2 more rows with the same way. I will meet you at the end here and show how to go about the next row. I have come to the end of the row here and I place my last DC. Turn your work. It is simple as we did in the first row, the same. You either have 3 chains or a standing DC. I am comfortable with my DC as the very first stitch. So if you make 3 chains, you have to insert your hook into the middle chain. Now I am inserting in the middle of the DC that I made here. Pulled out a loop, work the double crochet as normal. Again insert in the horizontal loop, yarn over, pull through. So continue till the end. You will make 2 and 3 rows as linked DCs and the 4th row as your normal DC, and complete the pattern for this particular blanket. This is the swatch I made with linked double crochet. This piece is flexible. Instead of working single crochet piece which is close knitted, you can use linked double crochet. It will be little flexible also. It will not be as tight as the fabric made with the single crochets. Thank you friends for watching this video. I shall post the completed picture at the end of the video. Have a great day. I shall meet you with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now.